On these 19 acres, each hug, each laugh carries just a little more meaning. The Kavanaugh family is just one of the many we saw, well, meeting in the middle.
Literally in the middle.
Peace Arch Park straddles the U.S.-Canada border.
We've been here since April, and we haven't been able to see our daughter or granddaughter other than through this venue here.
When the coronavirus pandemic reached North America, no one expected the domino of closures that would follow. I sure didn't, and neither did CTV reporter Sinjin Alexander.
The Vancouver Canucks, you know how big hockey is. You're getting the hockey team soon. They pulled out as well.
You mentioned hockey being a big deal. I think another milestone was baseball in the U.S. You
Yep.
always assume that baseball will be there. I think that made a lot of people say, wow, this is the real deal.
They said, wow, and what's going to happen to the economy? How are we going to do this? How are we going to cope with all this lots of money?
Sure, on paper, British Columbia and Washington State seem to be pretty comparable. But with so much land mass in BC, it's not exactly an apples-to-apples comparison. Instead, let's look at metro areas, specifically Seattle and Vancouver. Here are the numbers reported by both countries during the third week of July. According to BC's Ministry of Health, on July 21st, the Vancouver Coastal Health District, which includes Vancouver, reported a total of 1,043 cases, with 103 confirmed deaths. King County, on the other hand, reported 13,500 cases, with 638 deaths. In other words, while BC as a whole has more than 2 million less people than Washington State, we've had nearly 15 times as many positive cases of coronavirus.
If we have allowed our leaders, our scientists, come out and say what needs to be done and stick to it, would have saved a lot of lives in the United States.
Dr. Ali Muqdad has made his career studying global health. He says, while yes, as a whole, Canadians have done a better job of adopting social distancing practices,
Americans have a little bit of Wild West attitude towards a lot of things.
Would you go to the U.S. right now?
Absolutely not.
there are a few key differences.
There are more confirmed coronavirus cases tonight.
First and foremost, Western Washington was essentially caught on its heels, the epicenter of a virus that landed unexpectedly in February. An outbreak that ultimately led to the closure of the international border in mid-March.
What do you think that the Canadians need to see from the U.S. before they will come to the table and say, okay, we can talk about opening?
If the percent cases that we are diagnosing and percent positive from our test and the number of cases are similar to what they have.
Something that may not happen for a while. Here's BC's Minister of Health during a briefing last week.
We do have to put it in context. British Columbia lives in a sea of COVID-19. If you look at the case numbers in Washington State or in Alberta, they would be, I would say, not happy, but well, probably pretty happy to have the case numbers we've had here.
So expect conversations and picnics at Peace Arch Park to continue.
Everyone misses you guys.
A border crossing that, at least for the time being, shows no signs of opening.
I did ask. Don't get me wrong. They like Americans. They love coming down here.
And it's really not fair to do a comparison unless you look at testing. So let's look at BC. From the start of the pandemic, well, the entire province has tested about 250,000 people. Here, we've done the same, but that's just for King County. Back to you.
So a quick question for you, Sebastian. Heartbreaking, obviously, to see families separated, but is there any indication at this point when the international border is going to open back up?
Well, the latest notice from the Canadian government is that the border will be closed to non-essential travel until August 21st. But keep in mind, they've set deadlines in the past. Those have been extended, and experts are saying expect that deadline to extend in the future. Back to you.